0, 1. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me? Stopping me.
Now we're outside. I don't know if it is good morning or good evening in your time today. But yeah, we're now experiencing I think a weak snowstorm. So it's snowing right now, and we're outside. It's very cold outside, but still we came out just to experience this a little snowstorm. Okay, it's not that strong yet, but it will be later. Yeah. So this is the first time that I experienced this snowstorm. So based on the news, it will be stronger maybe later or at midnight, and also maybe early morning tomorrow. So yeah, you can see that's a lot of storm, and yeah, we're outside. So it started, I don't know if it started an hour ago. So you can see the snow already covered the whole road, and yeah, the wind is making the weather so cold. Yeah, and I don't know if you can hear my voice. Yeah, it's my voice is a little bit shaky. Ooh. Woo, the wind. uh, yeah.
Matapang ka ha, wala kang medyas.
Yeah, I'm not wearing any socks. I'm I'm barefooted. But yeah. And my hands are starting to, to hurt. But I gotta make a video out of it. So, whew, this is a strong one. My first strong snowstorm. But I think it's not yet the strong one. But for me, because I have experienced snowing already, but this one is stronger. Ooh, yeah, my voice is now shaking, and yeah, we can now step on the snow without sliding. Because not yet, it's not slippery anymore, because the snow just fell. Yeah. Whew. So how do you feel, Nai?
So cold.
Yeah, especially me, because I'm barefooted and I don't have a gloves. I don't have gloves. Ooh. My hands are shaking now. So yeah, I just wanna update you guys. So this is the life here in Minnesota.
Naka-live po
All
pala.
right. Woo, it's very cold. So have a nice day, everyone. Could be a good night or good morning to you. Bye bye.
Good night, good morning to them.
Good morning. So nagbihis ako para tingnan natin kung ano yung ginawa nung snowstorm kagabi. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng paligid. So syempre may nakita na kayo kanina Now let's go out and find out what else did the snowstorm did to the surroundings. So, marami yung snow na binagsak kagabi. Until now, may nabagsak pa rin. So, tingnan natin. Ayan, nagsuot na ako ng makapal. Kasi gusto kong i-shovel yung snow. Kasi ito ang ginawa ng snow sa bahay. Ano? Yung kita nyo, ito yung pintuan. Ganito karami yung snow na nadagdag or dumating. Yan o. At yung buong harapan na cover ng snow yung pathway namin o yung sidewalk kung tawagin. At yan, sobrang kapal ng snow sa labas. Yan, pati yung bintana meron. So first step outside. Lumulubog ako. Ayan. Yan ang senaryo dito kapag may snow. Okay, pero kaya pa naman yung lamig. Pero yeah. Grabe. Ayan oh. Lumulubog yung pako oh. So napakaraming snow ang binagsak kagabi hanggang madaling araw at ngayon meron pa ring bumabagsak. So let's go to the garage and look for the shovel that I can use to make a path para hindi kami madulas dito. So sasamahan nyo ako. Lulubog ako. Boom. Boom. Yan. So sobrang kapal ng niebe. Ayan. Kitang kita nyo naman. Naglalakad ako sa snow. Grabe. Ito yung isang pathway or sidewalk papabalik dun sa bahay dun sa loob. Yan. Ayan yung tinitira namin. So grabe, daming snow. So punta tayo sa garahe. Ayan o. Covered din yung garahe eh. Nako. Paano kaya papasok? Sana kasya. Yan, tanggalin muna natin yung baka may bumagsak na snow sa ulo ko. Ito rin kaya. Yun. Yan, pasok tayo. Nabuksan ko. Grabe. Ang dami snow na kumapit sa paa ko. Loko. Napuno ng snow. So ito yung garage. Ayan, pwedeng mag-park ng isang sasakyan dito. Ayan, yung ko lang nakita tong loob na to. First time ko sa loob. So ang intention ko lang naman ba't ako nandito is to get a shovel. Ito. Para makapag-shovel tayo doon. Para mahawan yung snow and to make a path para safe tayo na makakalabas doon sa bahay. So titingin pa ako ng iba pang mga pwede kong magamit. Mukhang wala na. So yeah, let's go. Okay, ito na nga. So come on, let's go. Sara muna natin yung pinto. Teka lang.
Wala pa na akong gloves.
Ito lang, gloves. Ako. Hindi ko pa mailak. Sige, mamaya na lang. Bye. Good morning.
Enjoy ka na. Oo.
Saan ako?
Dito. Ayan.
Dito pala.
Ito yan ang cellphone ko to. Hindi mo ito cellphone.
Sige na. Video mo na lang ako.
Oo nga. Ayun na, nakabidyo na. Mag-snow angel ka. Ayan.
Okay ba?
Okay na.
Picture mo ako.
Wait.
Dito.
Saan?
Oh.
Ice for sale.
Oh, sige, gawa ka nga ng ano, snowball.
Snowball, wait. Malamig. Hindi kaya,
Yun lang.
hindi kaya ng kamay ko. Naninigas.
Ayan ang aking first snow angel. Labas ang damo eh. Hindi pa kasi ganun kakapal yung snow. Ayan. So, ngayon tingnan natin kung marunong siya. Sige, compress mo, compress. Ayan.
Ang hirap naman maggawa ng yelo. Ng snow.
Ganyan talaga. Ayan, pwede na yan.
Ayan, pag ganyan. Tapos,
Babato mo na.
oh yan.
Eh, binato sa akin. Ang galing. Ayan, sige.
Gagawa ng sandcastle.
Sandcastle.
Kunin ko ito, papadala ko kay tita siya. Magtitinda daw siya halo-halo sa summer eh. Ganda nito oh. Teacher, yung lens.
Naglaro ang mga bata. Ang lamig.
At least ito free ang yelo.
Dami mong alam.
Oh, grabe oh, ang lalim. Woo! Oh.